Alright guys, here's my Doodle Bug 212 cc's. This is just an update to my old video because I've done some upgrades. Ended up replacing some fenders. I had an inexperienced rider ride it and bust the back fender off. So these are UFO fenders for like a dirt bike. I think they're for a front. Both the front and rear fender are one fender. I just cut them right almost in half to where it'd be perfect. Well, not in half, but you get what I'm saying. Anyways, they look great. They look really cool on there. Also, I added some diamond plate little rubber things from Harbor Freight here because the kids will sit up front and put their feet there while I'm running them around, and I just didn't want the paint, you know, start to go. Muffler's doing great, so we're gonna get a video of it running. I've been getting a lot of requests for that, so here we go. Let's get it running. Okay, so here's my Doodle Bug. Everybody's been asking for a video of this thing running around, so let's put it through its paces. Yeah. Alright, there you go. Hope you guys enjoy it.